Tishan, now show three fingers which are used for spooning.
Thumb, index, middle.
Hi everyone, welcome to Tuition's Homeschooling Fine Motor Skill Activity number 3. We are going to do the activity called spooning and unspooning. We are using three fingers here, that is thumb, index and middle finger, and we are starting from left to right because this is the way children are going to use their fingers to hold the pencil, and also we start writing from left to right. To do this activity, all you need is a tray and two bowls and a spoon. But I have taken three bowls because I'm using two things here. One is salt and the other one is coriander seeds. The first thing, you need to hold the spoon properly as I showed you here, and then ask the child to transfer salt from or any other things whatever you're using from one bowl to another bowl, that is called spooning. Once you finished transferring, you need to take it back, means you need to spoon it back, that is called unspooning. Here I am doing the activity first because we need to show the children before we do any activity and explain them what activity we are doing and what are we expecting from them. Children feel so happy to do this activity because they feel that they can do something what adults are doing, so they feel more confident. So try to give these kind of activities more in day-to-day life. Here again, these kind of EPL activities help the children to get eye-hand coordination and also makes their fingers flexible and make them or prepare them for writing. And most importantly, when you're doing any activity like this, tell the name of the objects what you're using or the material name to your child, and also make sure that your child places and replaces it properly. So here I have used both salt and coriander seeds for spooning and unspooning, and then at the end I have to place the spoon on the tray, and after that you can ask your child to repeat in the same way. Now here my son Tishan is going to repeat the activity now. Hold the spoon.
Yes.
Very good. Now slowly transfer. This is called spooning. Tishan, what activity you did now?
Spooning.
What?
Spooning.
Where is the spoon? Tishan, how to hold the spoon?
Yes. Like this.
How many finger?
3.
Which?
1, 2, 3.
Show which finger?
Thumb,
Hmm.
index, middle.